There you go.
Again!
No, I'm sorry. Only one ride to a customer.
Superman!
Bye.
Superman, it's me!
Well, so long goodbye. What's the hurry? I mean, seeing as you happen to be in Niagara Falls. Happen to be in Niagara Falls. And Clark is not around as usual.
Here you go.
Where were you?
I was getting hot dogs.
Well, it just seems kind of strange to me that every time Superman's around, you disappear.
Superman? You mean he was here?
Mm-hmm.
Golly.
And you weren't, as usual.